Affiliate programs are a popular way for businesses to expand their reach and drive sales by partnering with other websites, influencers, and marketers to promote their products or services. In this article, we will discuss the pros and cons of a business offering an affiliate program and how to create a successful affiliate program for your business. Pros of offering an affiliate program: increased reach. Affiliate programs allow businesses to expand their reach by partnering with other websites, influencers, and marketers who can promote their products or services to a wider audience. This can be particularly beneficial for small businesses or businesses that are just starting out, as it can help to increase brand awareness and drive more traffic to their website. Increase sales. Affiliates are incentivized to promote the products and services of the business, and they are more likely to generate sales. Affiliates are also able to reach a larger audience, which can result in more sales. This can be a cost-effective way for a business to increase sales without having to invest in expensive advertising campaigns. Low-cost marketing. Affiliate programs can be a cost-effective way for businesses to market their products or services. The cost of an affiliate program is typically based on a percentage of sales or a flat fee, which is significantly lower than the cost of traditional advertising methods, such as TV or print advertising. Better targeting. Affiliates are able to target specific audiences, which can be beneficial for businesses that want to reach specific demographics. For example, a business that sells baby products can partner with parenting blogs or influencers who have a large following of parents. Cons of offering an affiliate program: lack of control. Businesses have less control over how their products or services are marketed and promoted by affiliates. Affiliates are not always familiar with the company's brand or its products and services, which can lead to a lack of consistency in the marketing message. Quality control. Businesses need to be careful in selecting the right affiliates to promote their products or services. A business can be associated with the wrong kind of affiliates, which can negatively impact the reputation of the business. Compliance issues. Businesses need to ensure that their affiliate program is compliant with the laws and regulations of their country. Affiliates must disclose if they are being paid for promoting products or services, and businesses must ensure that they are not promoting products or services that are illegal or unethical. Time and effort. Setting up and managing an affiliate program can be time-consuming and require a significant amount of effort. Businesses need to invest time and resources in recruiting and managing affiliates, monitoring their performance, and providing them with the necessary support and resources. How to create a successful affiliate program. Clearly define your goals. It's important to define your goals before starting an affiliate program. This will help you to select the right affiliates and determine the best way to incentivize them. Select the right affiliates. Be selective when choosing affiliates to promote your products or services. Look for affiliates that are a good fit for your business and that have a proven track record of promoting similar products or services. Provide support and resources. Provide your affiliates with the support and resources they need to be successful. This can include training materials, marketing materials, and access to a dedicated affiliate manager. Monitor and measure performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliates and measure their success in driving sales. This will help you to identify the most effective affiliates and make adjustments to your program as needed. Communicate regularly. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to provide updates. Incentivize your affiliates. Incentivize your affiliates by offering them a commission for each sale they generate. This will encourage them to promote your products or services more actively and can help to increase sales. Additionally, consider offering bonuses or other rewards for reaching certain milestones or for meeting specific performance targets. Establish clear guidelines. Establish clear guidelines for your affiliates to follow. This includes guidelines for promoting your products or services, as well as guidelines for complying with laws and regulations. Make sure that your affiliates are aware of these guidelines and that they understand the consequences for not following them. Use tracking and reporting. Implement a tracking and reporting system to monitor the performance of your affiliates. This will help you to track the number of clicks, conversions, and sales generated by each affiliate, and to identify which affiliates are generating the most revenue. Use different types of promotions. Utilize different types of promotions, such as coupons, discounts, and special offers, to incentivize your affiliates to promote your products or services. This can be a great way to increase sales and to attract new customers. Review and adjust. Continuously review and adjust your affiliate program. Keep an eye on the performance of your affiliates and make changes as needed. This includes recruiting new affiliates, removing underperforming affiliates, and adjusting commission rates or other incentives. In conclusion, offering an affiliate program can be a great way for businesses to expand their reach, increase sales, and drive traffic to their website. However, it's important for businesses to weigh the pros and cons of an affiliate program and to create a successful program by clearly defining their goals, selecting the right affiliates, providing support and resources, monitoring and measuring performance, communicating regularly, incentivizing affiliates, establishing clear guidelines, using tracking and reporting, utilizing different types of promotions, and constantly reviewing and adjusting the program.